It is literally unfair that everybody just gone crazy about the AI powered tools to run a business, about ChatGPT and so on. And nobody's just mentioned that there were tools already before the ChatGPT appeared that were AI powered and that they were working already to make business successfully. So, guys, today I want to highlight one super cool and professional tool that will let you to build your dropshipping business really fast without an extra efforts and really professionally and absolutely automated. So jump in, because today we're going to be talking about ZIK Analytics. All right. We're inside, and again, this tool is absolutely, if you want to build your dropshipping business from the scratch, or you working already in this niche and you selling products and goods and services online, definitely this tool is it is absolutely must have. Why? Probably you saw our review on this channel. You can find the review of ZIK Analytics. And today I want to share with you the AI-powered features of this tool and how can you run your dropshipping business on autopilot. How can you run your dropshipping business using AI technologies that are built in to the tool, and you don't even need to go outside of this tool. You don't need to grab any external applications or any external software to work with your dropshipping business. I'm not gonna stop on all the features of this ZIK Analytics tool, because I repeat, I showed you already all this parts. Let's just fast look to this tool. It will help you in couple words. It will help you to run your online dropshipping business without an extra efforts. Why? Because this is the system that will let you to find the most important part of any dropshipping business is profitable items, profitable products. And to find the profitable product is just a headache, big headache of all the people who are working with dropshipping. And this tool automated all the process, and just in a couple clicks you can find anything that you want. So let's fast walk around here. Product research, competitor research, alley growth scanner, autopilot, 500 best selling by eBay items. Sign language, notifications. Now we add the dashboard. So I don't have my store yet here, but you can add a store. You can join to a lot of memberships and eBay weekly best sellers you'll find here. Shortcuts and support, and competitors. You can add some competitors. This is a dashboard. In the product research, you can switch on or off all the things and switch to the old view. This is refreshed website, so you can find any kind of a product in United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia, and so on, Malaysia, Spain, with a price, with all those filters, listing type, with a feedback, with a condition, exclude phrase, sale date range, eBay site, and so on. There's competitor research also that you can use to find out how other sellers are doing inside of their process, inside of their shops and stores. Category research. This is fantastic tool, and you can search by the category. So there are tons of it. And you can select the category and then search for something specific in this category. Also with all those filters and so on. Title builder. This is just absolutely insane tool that will create winning titles, drive traffic, and make sales. So this tool will help you to build, to create really fantastic titles that will help you to sell more. And now the time to show you the AI powered features that you can use inside of this tool to run your dropshipping business and not using any kind of a external software. There's fantastic tools like Bulk Scanner, 500 best-selling eBay items, Ali Growth Scanner, Turbo Scanner, and Autopilot. I want to show you the Turbo Scanner here because I showed you already in previous videos. I showed how to use this tool in general, but today Turbo Scanner is AI powered. It is a lot of information, more than 5 million products and sellers, and so on. So how to use it, how to use Turbo Scanner to find your profitable products just literally in couple clicks, There's Turbo Scanner, of course, there's help, you can tutorial and guides and so on. I'm going to show you by myself. Suppliers, you can choose from Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, United Kingdom, and Walmart.com. If you're choosing Walmart, there is different types of filters here. So let's choose Amazon as a supplier. Categories, you can switch on or off. You can select all and switch off CDs and vinyls, for example. Books, maybe you're not inside of the books. Video games, maybe. Electronics and Apple products, let's switch it off. Grocery and gourmet food, health and personal care, movies and TV. So you can sort by all, you can select all, you can switch off some kind of tools that you're probably will not sell, and just press and save. All right, rating. I suggest you to find 3 to 4 stars. If you're gonna switch to 5 stars, that means that you will find not a lot of products. You will find like a very small amount of products. Yes, they will be like best sellers and 5 stars rating, but I suggest you to stop on 3, not lower than 2. Okay, 3, or you can just switch it off. All right, you can choose only Prime. Well, that means that Amazon Prime is going to be better solutions for shipping, better solutions for the service, and so on. You can include books and include DVDs and CDs if you're inside of this kind of a type of niches, if you are inside of these businesses. Review count, so you can put minimum amount of reviews of any product. So this is one more filter to find the products that were already sold in some amount, and people are writing the comments that this product is absolutely great, for example, or I don't love this product, and so on. Review count for minimum, let's say 10 or 20 reviews. You can go like for 500 or some, but it's silly because you'll find less products. For example, you have some products that only just started, and they don't have like 100 reviews. Okay, bestseller ranking. Also, you will search between the best sellers, the best suppliers. Okay, the best ranking. You can switch it off. It's based on supplier sales and reflect recent and historical sales on every item in a specific category. An item has BSR 1, it means the item is the best seller in the category. So you need to go to bigger numbers. Okay, it's not like 1. You will find from 5,000 to 5,000 sellers. Okay, 30 days sale, for example. Let's leave it 10. Let's live here. The minimum amount is like 10,000, for example. 30-day sales per item. Let it be like 20 sales, or you can go less to find more promising products. Let it be 10. You can filter by keywords, of course, and price. Minimum amount, let's say $20. Number of products, for example, you don't want to find products like 10,000 products, 10,000 items, and then sorted manually. The system is created to help you. This AI powered system created to help you to choose like 200 or how much do you want. You can go for 100, you can go for 50 items, and the best sellers, the best products with all these filters will be available for you. And we press in scan. This there is some pending, and this is completed. Amazon US 50 products, and if we're gonna press scan again, it's gonna be different. It's always different. The next scan will be different. To see the products, you need to press this check records button. It takes some time to upload everything, but here you go. According to your filters, you can see the Vero brand item is very risky to list. Okay, it's like brand, Vero brand. The same thing with Apple and iPhone. And make sure that your item doesn't contain some forbidden words. So this is forbidden words, and here you can choose which product to sell, which product you will grab to sell on your store. And all the filters, the price is higher than $20. Rating is great, 4.7. BSR is big, and so on. So we just filtered all these items, and you can grab it and sell it. And this is absolutely automated. You can return to scans and continue to scan. So there are a lot of information, guys, and this is absolutely insane tool, and it's strongly recommended if you run business, the dropshipping business. Definitely, this is just a must-have, because it will save you centuries of time spent on the product research. And just one more thing, right now they have a promo campaign about up to 50% off to all plans and to the educational courses, complete course about the dropshipping. So you can buy everything up to 50% off. And guys, definitely if you trying to invest money, don't forget to invest your time correctly and properly, because this tool will literally save your life. It saves a lot of enormous amount of time, because if you're making this business manually, definitely it's not good. You'll try this tool and you'll be surprised how much time it will save to you. So Sell Smarter 2023. Let's press the view plans here, and you can see that it's really up to 50% off on all plans, guys. Choose your plan, jump to this fantastic tool, and make money fast and without a headache. So guys, strongly recommended. Definitely the link is in the description panel of this video. You can find it easily, and make sure to check it out if you're running an online business, if you're running a dropshipping business. Definitely you need to check it out. Thanks y'all, take care, see ya in the next video. Bye bye.